Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add mentions on WhatsApp. So to add mentions on WhatsApp, the first thing you have to do is update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and then you go to your status and you update and you send. I want to send you here. I want to pick a picture. Let's send this status. Then at the bottom here, I tap on this add sign here icon at the right here, and now I'm going to choose the people I want to mention in my status. Now you can also learn how mention works by tapping on learn how mention works. That's everything about how mentions work. So I'll choose the person the people I want to mention. Then at the bottom here, I tap on the mark icon. Then I can now send it.